Hi there, my name is Dustin Graham, and today I'm doing a review. I'm reviewing a product called DocuProfit, the world's first system that pays us for uploading file online. This secret website pays us $29 over and over for uploading documents. This is my bonus page. If you think DocuProfit is for you, stay with me on this page and let me give you a quick preview of this page and my bonus bundle is here and the vendor bonuses. So if you think DocuProfit is for you, then click any of the link on this page and get DocuProfit. So what is DocuProfit all about? Get paid by simply uploading documents. Turn your time into money with DocuProfits, the simplest way to earn $29 over and over again by just uploading valuable documents that are available to you on this secret website. Continuously earn $29 every time you upload a document. Earn as high as $395 sales through our deep converting funnel. Tried and tested and high conversion. Proven technology for your customer to make bank with this. DocuProfit membership is $19. OTO 1 unlimited, $47. OTO 2, $297. OTO 3, supercharged, $127. And OTO 4 reseller license, $297. OTO 5 passive income masterclass. And OTO 6, $47. Here are some key benefits you may be interested in getting. The more we upload, the more $29 payment we get. Literally one click, easy. Just hit upload and you're done. Zero traffic needed to profit. Dead simple. No experience required. Absolutely no extra expenses involved. No selling, but we still get paid. All of this covered by a no question asked 30-day money back. Watch the demo video of DocuProfit below here. So let me give you a quick preview of the demo.
Thank you so much. First thing you're going to go to upward.com and then click sign up. If you don't know how to join yet, when you have to go through this process, if you're an upload, not the business stuff, and then you start and then I want to something that it shows when they have a charge with the computer. And then you can never stop. You're closer to getting a girl's I attended those first years. How does that work out? Years of this is what
So there goes the demo video. Profit easily. Your profit. spend. Get DocuProfit and get all the bonuses. So if you think DocuProfit is for you, just click the link below on this page and get DocuProfit before it goes down. This is bonus one valued $427.95. Bonus two valued $46.95. If you think DocuProfit is for you, just click any one of the link here and get DocuProfit before it goes down. Bonus three valued $347.95. And these are all free. Bonus tutorial, DocuProfit. Bonus four valued $267. Click any one of the link here, these, and get DocuProfit. If you think DocuProfit is for you, stay with me on this page, stay with me in this video, and I'll continue and go to the JB page and the sale page. But continue with me if you think DocuProfit is for you, and my bonus page is here. So DocuProfit, this is special bonuses. Take action today, my bonus bundle. Click any one of the link here below. Click the button below now to claim your free insane bundle package before the countdown timer hits 0. Click here to secure your copy. And if you purchase DocuProfit via my link, when you purchase, you go to Warrior Plus, and click on purchase. It's through here, access your purchase, and then access affiliate bonuses here. Also, when you purchase DocuProfit, you can also pick up DocuProfit Turbocharged 95% off just for $9.95. So let me go to the JB page here. This is the sales page. DocuProfit, the world first system that pays us for uploading file online. Expose the secret websites, paid $29 over and over for uploading documents. No writing, no traffic needed, no extra expensive. Get DocuProfit at a one-time price for $19 and use forever. Get instant access now. So when you access DocuProfit just for $19, if you just access the front end, remember, you can also access DocuProfit supercharge 95% off just for $9.95. Quest and upload. You're just 3 steps away for earning $29 payment over and over. Number one, access. Click any of the Get Instant Access Now button on this page to create your DocuProfit account. Number two, download. Download the document given to you. Number three, upload. Upload the document and get paid $29 over and over. So if you think DocuProfit is for you, get DocuProfit before it goes down. This website may be unknown to the general public, but it is certainly filling up. This is testimony here, proof. Yep, these $29 payment come in over and over again daily basis. And every day my bank account increases, not decrease. So upload document. This is ridiculously easy. All you have to do is upload document given to you to this site. So if you think DocuProfit is for you, then click any one of the button here and get DocuProfit. Get instant access now, limited offer. Get DocuProfit at a one-time $19 and use forever. And to make it easy and this a no-brainer, I'm throwing in $499, $4,997 worth of free bonuses here. So here you're getting $4,997 worth of free bonuses available only for those who buy DocuProfit today. Free bonuses one valued $1,493 a day. Just start. Jumpstart your internet marketing business with this step guide at no extra cost. We're at $997. That bonus one here, bonus two, DocuProfit two here. Free bonuses two, $0 to $500 a day in 30 days. Our super affiliates are using this insider secret to generate 6 to 7 figure online with no extra work. DocuProfit, 3 free bonuses, all-in-one strategy, $486.23 per day, set and forget plugin system, all-in-one strategy to profit from flags without writing a single word. And DocuProfit bonus number 4, free bonus number 4, 30-day list explosion income. Although list building isn't required with DocuProfit, it's a hyper profitable skill and not to be taken lightly. Valued $997. Free bonus is number 5, 60-second funnel profit mastery. Take your business to the next level with profitable sale funnel conversion, starting from time detail and landing page to the checkout, worth $1,297. Get DocuProfit at a one-time price, $19 once and use forever. Get instant access now. And 30 days money back guaranteed. With all this shady scam out there, I don't blame you if you're hesitant to get started. It always healthy to have some skepticism. So here's what they have decided to do: the DocuProfit 30-day icon cloud money guarantee. So if you think DocuProfit is for you, go ahead and purchase DocuProfit. And if it doesn't work, then you have 30 days to get your refund. Remember, if you purchase even just the front end, buy DocuProfit now, yes, you can also DocuProfit Turbocharged. Put your DocuProfit account on a fast-serving average user are generating quicker profit of $199 extra daily. So 95% off today when you purchase DocuProfit. Pick this up just for $9.95 one time. turn time into money just by uploading DocuProfit that are on this secret website. And this, you can see this launch is still gonna be a way back on even November 10, 26, launch 26 November 10 a.m. and on the 2nd of December. So this is gonna be going on. So if you think DocuProfit is for you here, just click any one of the link, get DocuProfit at a one-time price. Here's the demo video here. You can watch it also at your own leisure. DocuProfit Deep Funnel. Get without using your voice or even without doing anything. Turn your time into money with DocuProfit. The simplest way to earn $29 over and over again just by uploading valuable documents that are available to you on this secret website. Continuously earn $29 every time you upload a document. Earn as high as $995 saved throughout our deep converting funnel. Third, tried and tested for high conversion. Proven technology for your customer to make bank with this. So if you think DocuProfit is for you, go ahead and purchase this product. Main content 7-day solo. You need to earn equal or more than the price amount in commission in order to qualify for a full price amount based on overall revenue. So go ahead and purchase DocuProfit. If you think DocuProfit is for you, get DocuProfit here before it goes down. And this is the person, Sean. You can contact Sean, Josiah, and Skype. He is a product manager on Facebook. Thank you for watching my DocuProfit affiliate review. Thank you for your subscription and your like. And thank you for purchasing.